wastage. This is wastage. This is okay, good condition seeds. This wastage, you see, nothing, very thinny. This condition is okay. This is okay, good condition. This also hard and healthy seeds. Okay. This also okay, good. This is good. This also good. This is also good. It's not good. It's empty. Nothing inside the seeds. This also good, is healthy. Okay. So this is not good. Thinny. This is not good. Good. You push or take, see if the seeds is healthy, it's okay, and if this is also okay. This is big size, but it's not okay. It's very thinny and empty the seeds. Okay, so it's throw. It's very hard, healthy. It's good. So we will find like this, and which is healthy and which is not healthy. Okay, it's not healthy. It's healthy, 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 healthy. It's healthy. Good, good, good. This is not good. Not good. This is not good. This is not good. 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 This is good. Healthy. It's not good. Not good. It's healthy. Hard. Good. Not healthy, nothing inside, not good. This is not healthy, nothing inside. This is not healthy, nothing inside. This is also wastage. This is good, healthy and hard. This is healthy, hard, good, good. Both are good. This is also good, small but good. This is good portion. This is not good. This part, this is wastage. This is wastage. All this is wastage. This is wastage, and this part is okay, good condition. So if the seeds is used for germination, it's 100% okay, 100% germination. We just example we will show 3 seeds, 1, 2 and 3 seeds we will for germination, use for germination.